Welcome to this comprehensive guide on how to troubleshoot Uniswap V2. Uniswap V2 is a popular decentralized exchange protocol that enables users to trade Ethereum-based assets. To effectively troubleshoot Uniswap V2, it is essential to understand its core components and how they interact with each other. First, let's start with the basics. Uniswap V2 consists of a series of smart contracts that facilitate liquidity provision, token swaps, and price discovery. The protocol relies on a constant product market maker model, where the product of the reserve amounts of the two assets in a trading pair remains constant. When troubleshooting Uniswap V2, the first step is to identify the issue. Common problems include failed transactions, incorrect pricing, and insufficient liquidity. To diagnose the problem, check the transaction details on a blockchain explorer such as Etherscan. Look for error messages or unusual transaction patterns. Next, check the liquidity reserves of the affected trading pair. Low liquidity can cause large price swings, resulting in failed transactions or poor execution. You can use tools like Uniswap's protocol analytics or third-party services like CoinGecko to monitor liquidity reserves. Another critical aspect to examine is the transaction's gas settings. Uniswap V2 transactions require sufficient gas to complete. If the gas price is too low, the transaction may fail or take an extended period to process. Adjust the gas settings according to the current network conditions to ensure smooth transaction execution. Additionally, be aware of the protocol's fee structure. Uniswap V2 charges a 0.3% fee on each trade, which is distributed among liquidity providers. High fees can lead to poor trade execution or failed transactions. To mitigate these issues, it is essential to follow best practices. Always monitor the liquidity reserves and adjust your trading strategy accordingly. Use reasonable gas settings and be aware of the protocol's fee structure. By understanding how Uniswap V2 works and following these troubleshooting steps, you can effectively identify and resolve issues, ensuring a seamless trading experience on the platform. In conclusion, troubleshooting Uniswap V2 requires a thorough understanding of its core components and how they interact. By identifying the issue, checking liquidity reserves, examining transaction settings, and following best practices, you can resolve common problems and optimize your trading experience on the platform.